How you doing today? Some of you may know me as Rob from Three Sons Window and Door. I'm going to show you today how to operate your new Harvey Tribute vinyl replacement window. The first thing I'm going to show you today is in the case your block and tackle gets stuck down the bottom. This typically happens when operating the tilt-in mechanism when the window is all the way closed, such as this. As you tilt the window in, it'll put pressure on these pivot arms and pop the window out of the block and tackle. As you can see, it's stuck here at the very bottom. To correct that, you take a flathead screwdriver large enough to fit inside the gap. You turn the screwdriver forward 90 degrees. Then the pin will slide up and down easily. When you find a reasonable position halfway, turn the screwdriver backwards until the pin is in a 90-degree angle, straight up. As you can see, it won't move anymore. Now, you're going to drop your window down till it hits the pin. Then you will engage your tilt-in mechanism, open the window to 90 degrees, pop the window back down in to the seated pin, close your window, open it, and make sure your block and tackle is no longer stuck and that it is now attached properly to the window sash. Okay, now I'm going to show you proper operating procedure for opening and closing your windows. Always operate your tilt-in mechanism window when the window is open, never when it is all the way closed. Tilt the window in, and you can now rest it on whatever is under your window. In this case, there's a radiator that it rests against nicely. Then you could take your top window, slide it down, and give about a fist's length between the two windows. Then you could do the same thing with the top windows. And clean your window. To place it back in place, you just push it up gently till it stops. Give it a little push. Wiggle it to make sure it is engaged. Then you can push the window all the way back up. Repeat that process for the bottom sash. Then you can close the window. Another feature about this window is the child safety or venting locks. In this window, they go down and out, and these little pins should pop out freely. This allows the window only to open this much. In this particular window, we have a half screen. This screen has a locking position in the up and down position only. But since it is on a tensioning rod, it will have tension most everywhere, as you can see. Over time, that may loosen up a bit. That's pretty much the gist of it.